Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, where today we're going to be playing some Super Mario Flash on the computer, so of course we're going to pick Mario. Well, that's loud. I'm gonna have... That's good. Oh, I have to use the arrows. What's this? Toad House. Pick a box. I'm gonna leave. What do you think you're doing? How do I pick? Ah. Oh no. Level 1. Green Hill Zone. Oh, I have to do that every time. That's gonna be so annoying. Okay, whatever. This is like the hardest game I've played in my life. Coop. I just ran right into that Koopa's butt. How many lives do you get? Can I like go for... Oh, I clicked B. Whoops. Dang it. Now I'm gonna be Fire Mario. Oh, I'm Fire Mario. Oh, I'm stupid. Yo, I'm Fire Mario. I love just using this item in Mario Kart because you literally just get to... No! I didn't jump. Is this like that Mario game, the unfair Mario game? This is so hard. What's wrong? Well, it looks like I once got to like level 4, I think. This is like, you don't use the mouse or WASD, which is really savage. If I had a controller and I could play it with the controller, I would totally use the D-pad instead of the stick. Level editor. Get codes. Nah. Create. Level. Land. One. Select OBJ. What? When was this game made? Because OBJ, like, comment down below if you know what this means. OBJ. Not in this game, but yeah, anywhere else. Move. X. Left, right, whatever. Okay. I'm gonna put, yeah. Bruh. Oh. There. Yay! I went to. da 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 da. I want ba ba ba. Most annoyingest music ever. Okay, I think we've made one. How far into the end? Very far. Very far. See. Ah! Is that fire? Let's hope it's grass. Put grass on the top of these question blocks so it looks like hair. Why am I even doing this? Here we go. Here. No! No! There. Did I make it long enough? What? 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. I need those question. Ba 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 ba. This is very annoying. Ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da. Dang it, I keep on doing that. Ba 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 la ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Okay, that music is very annoying. Like very annoying. Okay, that's like the most annoying music in my life. Ba 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 da ba ba. I have a bed. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Most annoying thing ever. Okay, made a face. How do we play? I want to play. How do you make the end? Ba 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 ba. I think we're good. So, why is this up here? Literally, all you get to see is that. Like, you can come over, bling, 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 bling. Yeah, it's just a question mark face. Oh, I have the funniest idea. Doesn't that look like a light bulb? It'll look even more like a light bulb. Okay, it's actually not that funny. Whatever. How do we... By the way, this game's on Friv. Quit doing that, Ethan. There, this is the end. What do you do when you're done? I forgot what it said. I need to go look at the previous footage. Well, it doesn't actually tell you how to get off, but I messed up. I clicked bonus and not level. I can't even get off. Help! I can't get off. It says X to move. Okay, I think I'm done for this video. Or this game. This is the most annoying game ever. So, but I don't have any copyright on this thing, because, like, I think that thing's copyright. Oh, that's totally copyright. Stay like right there. Ugh. Whatever, I did a video on this before. Let's play this. Mad Arrow? No, so stupid. There's this game on here. Let me like look very intensely. Super Drift 3D.
Race the fastest cars on PlayHub.
What the heck? Quit. Let's hope I even picked the right race. Whatever. That's loud. But let me. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and of course, subscribe, like, comment down below, and what was I gonna say? Follow me on Twitter at Universe Pancake. My headphones are. And of course, goodbye.